doesn't love an unboxing video? It is even more exciting for us enthusiasts, especially if there's something with wheels inside the box, and as it turns out today we have one such package with us. Hello and welcome to DriveSpark. I'm Stephen Neal, and this for now is a box from Firefox. We do not know what is exactly inside this. We do know it's a bicycle. Of course, Firefox makes some brilliant bicycles and bicycling accessories. We all know that. However, we do not know if it's a road going bike or if it's a mountain bike inside it. And there's, well, only one way to find out. Let's unbox. So this is what came out of the box. This is a Firefox Bad Attitude 10. It is a mountain bike and is priced at Rs 15,800. Now before we talk about the cycle itself, let me tell you a little something about the brand Firefox. Firefox is one of the most reputed bicycle manufacturers. It's a well-known manufacturer of premium bicycles and has a global presence. Now this happens to be one of the current best sellers of Firefox in India. So at first sight, you can see that it's got a striking color. This is available in only one color, that is this shade of green. Firefox says it's only green. The website calls it green. However, you can see it's a mixture of various colors. You've got shades of black on it, you've got a little blue here and there, and well, it looks striking to be honest, especially given that these graphics, well, they're not really stickers or graphics, they're actually painted onto the frame. So well, as you can see here, you've got all these lines that make it look like a very shoddy paint job. It looks like it's just painted with a brush without a care in the world, and that's what gives it its name, Bad Attitude. It feels bad. Now you've got lots of other graphics as well. So you've got the Bad Attitude on the main frame here, Bad Attitude 10. It says the 10 is written in Roman numerals, and that lends it a bit of character as well. Now we've got Shut Up and Ride written on the subframe towards the rear. Now this is a hard steel tail, so there's no rear suspension really. The rear wheel is not suspended, however the front is, so you get a telescopic fork up front. It's got decent amount of travel. Now also you get disc brakes on both ends on this bicycle, so you've got pedal disc brakes on both ends. This is an 18-inch frame. Along with the 18-inch frame, this bicycle rides on 29-inch tires and wheels. These tires look good. They are made by DSI, made in Sri Lanka, and these tires look very grippy. They feel very grippy at first sight. Now remember, we haven't ridden this bicycle a lot, so we're not gonna get into the review bit of this yet. Stay tuned for that. However, at first impressions, they do seem very grippy indeed. Now let's get on to the mechanical bits of this bicycle, and first of all, let's start off with the brake levers. So the controls on this bicycle, so the brake levers feel good. They're made of good material, they feel sturdy, they feel built to last. This will definitely last. Now let's get on to the gear shifters. The entire gearing system is from Microshift. Microshift is a well-known brand that has been producing these shifters and derailleurs since 1999. Unlike other bicycles, this one doesn't come with shifter for your pointing finger. You cannot use your pointing finger or any other finger to shift except your thumb. So on both ends, it's your thumb that does all the work. You've got the paddles at the bottom for both the upshift and the downshift, and this is pretty convenient, at least for now, as we can see. Also, this shifter is pretty unique. It's got this analog sort of gauge on it, so you don't really know what exact gear it is in. You've just got the numbers 1 and 7 written on one side, and on the other side you've got the numbers 3 and 1. So you do not have the rotating gear position indicator. Instead, what you have is this red mark that moves when you shift gears. On this end, you've got the numbers 1 and 7 marked. On this side, you've got the numbers 1 and 3 marked. Now, while this makes it look cool, it might not be very accurate, as you would not know the exact gear you're in unless you're very experienced with bicycling. Now that being said, let's move on to the actual mechanicals, the derailleurs. They look very premium, they look sturdy. The front derailleur is finished in chrome and the rear is finished in a shade of black as usual. This cycle does not come with derailleur protectors. Another thing that's missing on the Firefox Bad Attitude 10 is a water bottle holder. You do get mounting points for your water bottle holder, however that is not there on the bicycle. You will have to mount it, you will have to accessorize it. So accessories that will have to be added by you according to your convenience is a water bottle holder, the derailleur protector, and even a bell. Now let's get on to the mechanical bits on this bicycle. So you've got the derailleurs and the entire gearing system made by Microshift. So you've got 3 speeds up front and 7 speeds at the rear. That leads to a total of 21 gear ratios. So that should cover a lot of bicycling situations that you might come across in the real world. Now, having covered that, let's get on to the bits that can be adjusted on this bicycle. There's not a lot to be adjusted. First of all, you've got the seat that can be adjusted easily using this clip. So you can just open it up and adjust the seat according to your preference. And then of course you can take out the front wheel so that it makes it more easier to transport as well. The entire front wheel can be removed with the movement of a clip. So that was it when it comes to the adjustability on this bicycle, and this was our first impression of the Firefox Bad Attitude 10. Do let us know in the comments below what you thought about this bicycle. Was it attractive enough for you? And if you are considering buying one of these and you have doubts about it, do let us know in the comments below, and we will make sure to answer them in our review that is coming soon. That's it from us for now. Thank you for watching. I'm Stephen Neal signing off for DriveSpark, and this was the Firefox Bad Attitude 10.